to another episode of Literacy with Miss Lee and Moby. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to spell that final ch sound in words. There are two ways that you can spell that final ch sound. Let's learn them. In a one-syllable word with a short vowel and ending with a ch sound, that ch sound is spelled with a TCH. TCH after a short vowel. Say it with me. TCH after a short vowel. So let's try it out. I want you to tell me the phonemes in the word catch. You ready? Say catch. Catch. Let's ready? Phonemes. K, a, ch, catch. How many syllables? Catch. Catch. One syllable. And it ends with a ch sound. And my vowel is short. K, a, it's a short vowel. So you spell it. That final ch sound is spelled with a TCH after a short vowel. You ready? We're spelling the word catch. Tell me the graphemes that go with that phoneme. K. Ooh. Is it a C? Or a K? Do you guys remember that spelling rule? Cat. So, if a word begins with that k sound and it's followed by an A, O, or U, that k sound is spelled with a C. K, a, ch, catch. One syllable, catch, ending with a ch sound, short vowel, that ch sound is spelled TCH. TCH after a short vowel. Let's try another one. I want you to tell me the phonemes in the word stretch. Ready? Say stretch. Count the phonemes. S, t, e, ch. Stretch. Let's try that again. You ready? Say stretch. Tell me the phonemes, the sounds you hear in the word stretch. We're going to break apart that trigraph because each individual letter has its own sound. So, s, t, e, ch, stretch. How many syllables? Stretch. One syllable? What kind of vowel do we find in the word stretch? S, t, e. That's a short vowel. So if it's a short vowel, that final ch sound is spelled TCH. Let's put our graphemes to our phonemes. Are you ready? S, t, e. Short vowel. Ch. Stretch. Good. Let's learn the other way. The final ch sound can also be spelled with a CH. That's our most common way to spell it. So, ch. How do I know when to use the CH? In a one-syllable word that does not have a short vowel. So if it's a long vowel, it's a consonant, or any other kind of sound that's not short, you're going to spell it with a CH. Let's try a word. I want you to say the word peach. Say peach. Tell me the phonemes in the word peach. Are you ready? P, E, ch, peach. Tell me how many syllables in the word peach. Peach. one syllable. That vowel team in there, each. So that it's not a short vowel, it's a vowel team. So because it's a vowel team, not short, that ch ending sound is spelled with a CH. Let's put our graphemes with our phonemes. Are you ready? Peach. P. E. Here's our vowel team. P. Each. Peach. So again, it's our vowel team. Not a short vowel because since it's not short, that final ch sound is spelled with a CH. Let's try one more. I want you to tell me the phonemes you hear in the word lunch. Say lunch. Let's count the phonemes. Are you ready? Lunch. Ch. Lunch. Try that again. Ready? Ch. Lunch. How many syllables in the word lunch? Lunch. One syllable. What do you hear before that ch sound? You hear that consonant? That consonant N? So because it's a consonant, we know that final ch sound is spelled with a CH. So let's put our graphemes to our phonemes in the word lunch. Are you ready? Ch. Lunch. I'm going to put my brave up here. So I remember it's a short vowel. And yes, it does have a short vowel, but there's that consonant in between the short vowel and the final ch sound. So that's how I know that ch sound is spelled with a CH. So, in summary, CH, final CH can be spelled in two different ways. It is spelled TCH after a short vowel, and CH any other time. So I hope you learned something today with our final spelling rule, and I cannot wait to see you next week to see what we are going to learn. So thank you so much for coming. Gracias. Hasta luego.